It ain't even cold outside, now where I'm from.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Welcome to this Christmas. Yeah, see it goes.
Hi guys, good morning. I hope you guys are seeing me perfectly. So the title says it all. We're doing we're doing opening our gifts, what I got for Christmas. Yeah, so she's talking around there, so anyway, she's opening her gifts on her camera, but I'm too excited, I cannot wait. So I'm gonna open my gifts now. So the first gift, which I already looked in, is this one. This is the only one I actually already looked in. So this is my first gift. This is from Miss Price, and I just want to say thank you so much. I love it because I'm gonna show you guys what is in it. So I got a headband, I got lipstick, and this lipstick is so cute. This is a lipstick and a lip gloss. Cute. Then I also got a power bank. So it's a pretty cute power bank. So yeah. Alright, so that's what I got from Miss Price. So let me put that over here. I'm gonna put up these bags because these bags are gonna be used next year, that's for sure. Gift, I'm gonna open this one. So this is from my dad to me, and I already know what's in this because what my dad did is basically tell us to go and look something that we want for ourselves and he will buy it. So I know what's in this already. So yeah, and basically I'm wrap you. Okay, me wrap all of my father gift them. So that ain't gonna sit down and wrap nothing, so I wrapped them because I wanted something to unbox. I wanted under the tree to be pretty, so I wrapped them. All right, so this is what I allowed him to buy for me. This is a purse. I'm gonna be switching over my stuff right now because this is cute. So this is it. I love this. It's cute, and I saw it. I'm like, I love this. Yeah. All right, so that's from Dad. All right, so this gift here is from Mom, and it says to Shakay from Needle a Tear, and we had to figure out what this means, and it's Rita Aldine wishing you a blessed Christmas. So it was like a puzzle, and she said if we can't figure it out, we're not gonna get the gift. So woo, this is cute. All right, so she got me this hand sanitizer with such a cute, it's a fish, a cute fish on it. So cute, and it's green. Oh my gosh, this is so good. My mom made this. This is so cute. Just put a soap in it, and it smells like my kind of soap. And it's like a little soap bag that you can probably hang up. It is so cute. Why? Shanika, I love it. Sorry if you're talking in your video. I don't like it. Songs. Remember that salad? Why? Let's open the next one from Mom. So this one says, oh my God! You're too loud for my camera, you know, be quiet. So to Shakay with love from Atnas. And we had to figure this one out as well, and this is Santa, right? So this one is from Santa, and it says Merry Christmas. I'm my mother Santa here. Mother Santa. Alright, so the first are we gonna make this for all along? Hey, this is my mother, see? My mother. It is a tissue holder. This is going in my bathroom. Right pant up on my toilet too. Pant up is something. Yes, right in there. It's so cute, guys. So it has the opening at the top to like put the tissue in here. And you know me ask her what she make, and she didn't tell me. Can me see she make, you know me ask her what you make. She don't tell me. And then I guess you pull the tissue thing from here. Yo! It's cute. Me telling us I want if you do. If you don't want anything to make, hit her up. If you don't want this to make, hit her up. I will put a price to it. You know, yeah. This would be like one whole heap of money in our store. I'm sure she's not gonna charge you that much, you know. So hit me up if you don't want her to make one for you. I like it. Thank you, mom. Alright, the next thing, oh yes, this is also from her. This is from to K from Rita, and I know what this is because she bought this in the store that we bought everything. So these are wall stickers, and I'm pretty excited to put these on my wall. They're so cute. So cactus dessert dry flowers. So I basically picked out the one I wanted. Merry and bright, and you know that little flowers. It more looks like a summery thing, but I wanted it, so yeah, she bought this for me. Let's take a coffee break. I am in love with this one, in love. And then this says you are the lake in my heart. So yes, yeah. And then the next set of things are from my sister, which I have no idea what they are. Pretty much I think I only know what one is, so let's look at that. The first one, it's a slipper, and it's so cute because I needed one of these. I don't have a black slipper at the moment. Black slippers kind of mash up, so this is perfect. A black slipper, I love that. And then this other bag here is also to my one and only sister, or Sissy Pooh, from your fave. I love you. I love you too, honey. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so fluffy. Oh. Guys, this is so cute. It's that fluffy feel, and it has it's yellowish, but it's more mustard star on the front. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. I like this. It's cute. You see, she put nothing in it. She not put nothing in there. Can't believe. But yes, that's what it looks like inside. It's a very cute bag. And well, so yeah, that's that. And then the final gift, I'll put that one aside. Oops. This is the final gift that I have, and it's also to Shakay from Sassy Shan. So from my sister as well. Come on, not sitting. I'll see how much she have to do for seeing this again. I think thing. Oh, can't tell me. Oh, can't tell me. Why? I love knapsacks so much. So guys, I got a knapsack. It's so cute. It is from the brand Judy Chen, and it's black. It is so cute. It is super cute. Wait, come on, something. Yeah, so it has a part at the back. Has that little part at the back. It has a little thing at the front. Good enough. I like it. And then and I like the little thingies here. Like, can I see these? Let me show y'all. Like, are you seeing that? Yeah, that's how the end looks like. And then inside, this is what inside looks like. Like, oh my god, oh, look at that. It's so cute. That is cute. Oh my. So it has what, 2 areas for zipping in the middle, and you know, I like this. I really love this. Guys, if you don't know me, you guys know I love me a knapsack. I love me a good knapsack. Okay. Alright guys, so this are the things that I think it's popping, huh? Yes, I think it's popping. she's showing off with the bag I bought her. Oh my
Check out my
god.
channel.
Check out her channel for the things that she got for her Christmas. Alright, can I end my vlog now, please? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas. And I know this video is not to brag that I got things. It's just, you know, to show you guys what I got. And well, we don't normally do this at Christmas. We normally like buy each other things and just give it to each other without even wrapping it, because you know we are not normally here on Christmas Day. But this year we're at home, wanted to do something different, and so we ended up wrapping all our gifts and putting it under
essence.
Yeah, Bailey's essence. Yes. Yeah, I mean Rita essence. Anyways, so we decided to do this year, me and my sister, because we won't be at home. We will be at home, and we wanted something extra to do. So this is the extra thing that we did this year, and I really enjoyed it. I think I want to do this even when we're not gonna be here, because it makes it fun and it makes you pretty much have something else to do, or something to do with the family. I like that, you know, just the unboxing and the wrapping of gifts. I like it. So I think I want to make this a tradition to just, you know, put gifts under the tree and stuff like that. Yes, I love my bag.
Guys, I had to hide it from her in the store. I had to give her a surprise.
Alright, so yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Yesterday on Christmas Day, you guys gave me a lovely gift. I hit 800 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for subscribing. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.